Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 8th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir is having another good day today, so we are up 36 cents. That's 1.85%. We closed at 1982. Post-market, we are even Steven with that. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So we are into this descending channel right here. Let me use my great highlighter. Descending channel, and we had crossed below this middle part of the channel. And now, did we cross above it? Yes, we did, but barely. That's that. Green candle, longer wick at the bottom. So stock went down and then was pushed back up. This is also a good sign. So we are still between 19 and 2010. This is nice. So the bottom was December 6th. The bottom was there so far. So far, the stock seems to be able to maintain itself over 19. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand what happened during the day. So we opened right here, had some volatility during the first hour. Volatility here, then we pretty much went straight across and maintained ourselves with very little volatility here. And now we are seeing the last candle, which is a little bit of a green candle. We have a lot of intraday resistance. So we have one right here at 1983, I would say, but the main one is at 2010. And on the 1 hour chart, everything is pretty much good except the MI, but stochastic super high at 98. So there's a lot of strength in that stock. We can see it from a stochastic perspective since December 7th, where stochastic started at 89. Lots of strength. I would not be surprised if we could go higher based on this alone. On the daily chart, yes, of course, the daily chart is slower to react. So if you are a more longer term investor and not an intraday investor, then there's not much to do yet because things are not that clear. Stochastic is still at 22 and RSI just got out of the oversold zone. So still a good news, but RSI is not above 50 yet. And MACD has not crossed over bullish yet, and the MI still either. So if you want to play on the 1 hour chart, you can make a little bit of money here, but it's going to take several more days, I am assuming, on the daily chart to start seeing really a trend change. Because right now we are basically bouncing back on this middle channel resistance. Yes, we have broken it, but it's not a clean break. It's a very little break. So on the daily chart, I would still wait to get long. I closed my short position a couple of days ago, but I'm not ready to go long yet on Palantir on the daily chart. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.